I can't speak. Gotta stay hydrated, y'all.
Go on, go on.
So I Hi guys, I'm Elita Menezes and welcome back to my channel. It's 10 in the morning and I woke up a few hours back.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
So I used to see a lot of videos which were I let my Instagram followers control my life, or I let my some other followers control my life. And the people who did those challenges were the people who didn't let anyone control their lives. So I thought, that sounds familiar.
Bruh.
So I wanted to try this this challenge or whatever it is, and that's why I thought that because today I am up early, I'll try this whole thing. I have a lot of polls already planned, so I'll be posting two of them right now. One will be of the breakfast and one will be of the beverage, and I'll check each poll after 15 minutes to see the result, and according to that 15, like whatever result I get after whatever result I get after posting that, after 15 minutes of posting the poll, I will consider that. So I've posted a story on Instagram explaining what I was doing and why I was gonna upload so many polls, so that it's easier for them to understand and decide and choose accordingly. So I just posted the polls. I posted two polls. One is of the breakfast and one is for the beverage. For breakfast I put pancakes and cereal, and for beverage I've put coffee and tea. Now the fun fact here is that I'm not a coffee or tea fan. I like to drink hot milk or else chocolate milk, but I don't know, I've when I was small I used to drink a lot of tea. Then all of a sudden I just thought that no, I shouldn't drink tea. So that happened, and if any day I have to choose, I would choose coffee over tea. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate because many people love tea, but yeah, I like coffee over tea. And I guess people are going to choose tea because many of my Instagram followers are tea lovers. So let's see how that turns out. We'll check in 15 minutes.
Meanwhile.
So it's been 15 minutes and according to the poll, pancakes won over cereal, and I'm happy because I wanted to eat pancakes today. So win-win. Also for the beverage, it's coffee so far, and I'm surprised that coffee is winning over tea, at least for the poll. But I am not gonna consider that as of now because I'm going to make the pancakes first. So I'll make the pancakes, and by the end of that I'll see the results again and I'll consider those results, because I don't know why I just want tea to win over coffee even though I don't like tea. I don't know, it's just weird. So we'll check that later. So let's make some pancakes now. So the pancakes turned out really good, and I enjoyed eating them a lot. After the pancakes were done, I saw the results for the coffee and tea, the beverage section, and it was still coffee, and I don't know, it just came out as a surprise to me because I expected it to be tea. I don't know why I expected it to be tea, but I did, and it was coffee, so I thought I'll do the dalgona coffee because why not. And even that turned out really good, so yeah, that was a good one. So for the next poll, I wanted to do a dance video since a very long time on these two songs. One is Particular and the other one is Buns Up, and I thought it will be a good chance to ask my followers which song they would prefer, because both the songs have different dance styles, so I don't know what they'd say. So let's see, let's put the poll. So the results are out, and everyone chose Particular over Buns Up. So it was a close competition for a very long time. It was first 14 people for Particular and 12 for the other one, then it became 22 and 20. It was very close, okay, like 2 or 3 people here and there, but for a long time I kept waiting, and I gave it at least an hour, I guess, before coming to a conclusion that it's gonna be Particular only. So I'm going to shoot the video now, and the video will be on Instagram, so I'll show you a little bit behind the scenes. But if you all want to check out the full video, the link is in the description. You all can go and check it out on my Insta page. So before shooting the dance video, I recall that I didn't paint my nails. The last time I painted my nails was, I guess, a week ago, and after that I took off the polish because I was bored and I didn't paint it again. So I thought a good time to ask my followers what polish should I paint my nails with. So I have these two colors, so these two might go with my outfit. So fun fact again, I have a lot of nail polishes, different colors, and I guess I have around 100. I guess I have around like 60 nail polishes. I'm not even lying. If I find them, I will put a picture if I find all of them together. But I swear the last time I counted, it was around 50-55ish, and after that I bought some more. But I keep misplacing my polishes everywhere, and now I can't really find them because recently I cleaned my room and I don't remember where I kept the entire box. So these are the few ones I recently bought. That is the reason why I have limited options. So I'm going to ask my followers between these two polishes. Let's see what they choose. So 15 minutes are over, and purple one, and I'm kind of happy because I was kind of bored with the nude. It just, I mean, I love nude colors, nude nail polishes, everything, but it's kind of boring for what I don't know. I'm not in a nude mood today. That sounds wrong. I'm not in a new nail polish mood today. Gotta stay hydrated, can't speak. So I'm gonna go paint my nails real quick and complete my video, and then see you for the next poll. So previously the outfit I chose for the video was gonna be purple. That's the reason why I wanted people to choose purple, but then I changed my outfit to this, and now as you can see, it doesn't match the outfit clearly. So I waited for half an hour after I changed my outfit for them to choose nude, but majority people still went for purple. So I had to go with purple, so I have to work with it. So now I'll paint the other hand as well and start recording the dance video. All that dancing got me very tired, and I'm really hungry. So my next poll will be if I should make Maggi or should I make pasta. So let's check the results in 15 minutes. Everyone's just surprising me today. I thought people will choose Maggi, but turns out people want me to eat pasta. So I'm going to go real quick and cook some pasta for myself. So the last poll I'll be uploading for the day will be if I should edit my dance video or if I should spend my time watching videos on YouTube. So let's see what they say in 15 minutes.
Later that same evening.
So after 15 minutes, when I went back to check the poll, majority of people had voted that I should edit my video. So I went back and started editing the video, and I edited a lot of it. I even edited the thumbnail for this video. So yeah, the whole experience was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed having my life controlled by my Instagram followers. It was really fun. I feel everyone should give it a try because you're giving them two options in your comfort zone. So there's no loss. It's a win-win situation anyways, and they're getting to choose one out of it. So that was it for the video. Make sure you hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section below what do you think about this video and if I should make such videos in the future. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.